Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to calculate moving average in Microsoft Excel. So how to calculate moving average in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Before we calculate the moving average data, first activate the Data Analysis input menu, tap the File menu. Pull down to enter the Options menu. Tap Add-ins. Tap Analysis Toolpack and below tap Go. In Add-ins tap Analysis Toolpack. And tap OK. Here it is finished to add the Analysis menu function. Next here I will calculate the moving average using the data in the table. How to enter the Data menu. Pull to the right and tap Data Analysis. Here select Moving Average and tap OK. Here the input menu for moving average comes out. In the input range section, we enter sales data by selecting all sales data. In the labels in the first row, check to enter the label. For interval, here to calculate how many moving averages we will calculate. For example, I enter 3 periods. For this output option, tap the location of the moving average calculation results. And the chart output section here we check. And finally tap OK. Now here the results are out. For the first and second years here, why are there no results? Because we calculated starting from period 3. In the third period here there are only results. Moving average, MA, is a statistical method for smoothing data fluctuations and identifying long-term trends by calculating the average over a certain period. The types include simple, exponential, and weighted moving average, which are often used in technical analysis to predict market trends. So that's it. Tutorial how to calculate moving average in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.